In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off always on display on your iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for always on display. Now just tap on it. Now to turn on always on display, just enable this toggle. Now after you do that, the always on display feature will be turned on. Now if you want to show the wallpaper of the lock screen in your always on display, just keep this toggle turned on. And if you want to blur the wallpaper photo in the always on display, just enable this toggle. And finally, if you want to show your notifications in your always on display, then just keep this toggle enabled. Otherwise, you can turn off any of these options if you want. Now, if we go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully turned on always on display on our iPhone, just like that. Now to turn off always on display, just go back to the home screen and open settings. Now under the always on display settings, just disable this toggle. And after you do that, the always on display feature will be turned off, just like that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.